Hello everyone. So my name is Autumn Miller and I decided to do my ad campaign on the brand Colgate. And the whole idea behind this advertisement is to promote their #1 cavity protection toothpaste. So we'll go ahead and take a closer look. So here we have the original ad and it's really cute. It's of a mom and her son, and the first thing that popped out to me was the color. And immediately you just recognize the red. It's a very bold color. It stops you and it grabs your attention, which is great because it highlights the fact that they're promoting Colgate, because you have their logo right here. You have the red again on their toothpaste box, and then it's also on the font promoting that it's the #1 cavity protection toothpaste. And the color is a great theme throughout this whole picture. You have it on the pillows and a little bit in her shirt, and it just directs the eye to this main point that they're promoting the toothpaste. Then there's the typography. It's very simple and easy to read, which is awesome because it clearly conveys their message. There's not too many words, it's not too distracting, and you can easily identify that Colgate is the one promoting this advertisement for the toothpaste. Then the main elements that stood out to me were the smiles on these two models. The people are displaying the results of the product. If you use Colgate's toothpaste, then you're going to be happy, and that's captured here on with their bright white teeth. Then I have my new ad, and I took a little bit of a different approach, but I kept a young girl in it, and we can easily identify that the bold red color is still there. And it contrasts well with the white. It makes it pop out. One of my favorite parts of the picture is this red lipstick that she's wearing, because it immediately draws your attention to her teeth and how white they are. And then you can just see the connection between the font, her mouth, and the Colgate logo. All of them are red, and it's just very simple, laid back, but it gets the point across very well, just as the previous ad did. And then we have typography. So I used both serif and script fonts. The sans serif goes well with the original Colgate font and the previous ad, and it's just very easy to read and pick out what exactly is being portrayed in the message. It's the #1 toothpaste, and then here I have a script font just to make it stand out a little bit more, the fact that it makes your teeth really white. And then same elements. She has a really big smile, which is something I wanted to highlight from that first ad. She's showing off the results of the product very well here. So in conclusion, these ads both just show the message that it's really is the #1 cavity protection. It keeps your teeth white and clean, and through the typography, design, and elements, that message is portrayed very well.